Convert. This is the easiest way to trade cryptocurrencies and a convenient tool for merchants of our payment system. To get started, log in or sign in to Cryptomus.com using email, phone number, Telegram, or ToneKeeper. Here is a personal wallet where we can see the convert function, but there are no funds on our balance to sell or trade. So we will replenish it with the receive button. We will choose any suitable currency. For us, this is USDT on the Tron network. Here we have the address and the QR code with which we will replenish the wallet. Done. We replenished the balance from another Cryptomus wallet, so there was no network commission for the transaction. This is another advantage of ours. If you do not have cryptocurrency, then very soon we will launch a peer-to-peer exchange where you can purchase cryptocurrency from other users using a bank card. Follow the news on our Telegram channel. So we have replenished the balance, and now we want to convert the USDT into another currency. To do this, we need to press the Convert button. There are two options for trading cryptocurrency: Market and Limit. The Market option allows us to instantly exchange cryptocurrencies at the current exchange rate. It's pretty simple. Now we need to choose a currency pair to exchange. Let's choose USDT and, for example, MATIC. Then we enter the amount needed. Here, we immediately see the rate at which the conversion will be performed. Now click Convert. Done. Let's look at the Limit option. Here you can independently specify the exchange rate at which you want to exchange currencies and the validity period of the exchange request. Let's choose currency pairs again. Here we can see the current exchange rate. But unlike trading in the market, we can set our own price and specify the time during which the order will be valid. We will place an order for 10 days and indicate the price 1 point higher than the current price to get a profit. Let's place an order. Done. Now all that remains is to wait for a successful transaction. In the Convert tab, you can view the status of all transactions and use filters if necessary. Subscribe to our channel so as not to miss all the important news. With us, crypto is easy.